How to delete Instagram business accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your Instagram's business account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it depends upon what you're talking about, because the issue here could be quite simple. If you're talking about only removing business from your Instagram account so that you can switch back to a normal account, right? So in that case, what you have to do is, in my case I have a business account which I want to switch to a personal account. I'll come to my profile page, tap the freelance option, settings and privacy to come here, then go to business tools and controls, then tap on the switch account type option. Then I can just tap on switch to personal account to be able to switch to a personal account. This will just remove only the business thing from my profile, and my Instagram account will still be a personal account. Now in another case scenario, if you're just talking about closing your whole Instagram account, whether it is a business account or personal account, then that is also possible if you tap the freelance option, settings and privacy, account center. From here, going to personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion, selecting Instagram account, selecting delete account, then tap the continue option to delete it. So these are the two specific scenarios that you could be talking about deleting a business account. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.